So I'm here in Burlington, Vermont, to check out a joint where this guy's getting such acclaim. People are saying that he should be the driver of the vegan bus of Flavortown. This is Pingala.
Runner, fresh rolls.
You don't remember that you're eating a plant-based diet here. It just feels like you're eating food.
2 orders of French toast coming up.
The French toast puffs are everything you want in French toast that French toast has never delivered to me before.
You can dip them in the maple syrup, in the ginger butter.
It feels like dessert.
Now what are we into?
French toast. We're basically making a French toast bread pudding. Bananas, oat milk, brown sugar, toasted coconut flakes, vanilla extract, cinnamon,
So the normal cast of characters.
pinch of salt. The turmeric gives it that nice eggy color.
Okay.
Nutmeg going in. That's it. And then we're gonna add it to our millet and flaxseed bread.
This is gonna start to absorb it.
Scoop it.
I'm excited.
We're gonna bake it at 500 degrees for about 5 to 8 minutes.
And what are we gonna serve it with?
Some ginger butter. For this, we use a dairy-free butter. And we're gonna add agave, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, ginger powder, pinch of salt. Buzz this down. Send it back into the refrigerator, let it tighten back up.
Good stuff.
All right, we're gonna plate up some French toast. We just got some mixed berries, lemon juice, and water.
Okay.
A little cinnamon, maple syrup, ginger butter, some banana, oranges. Take our French toast, puffs.
How many do you get?
7 in heaven.
Well, who do you think's with me? I drove up in the car by myself. Smells like French toast. Has better texture than most French toast. I don't know what to say, bro. This isn't any French toast. This is a Christmas cookie. It's everything you want. It's got the cinnamon, it's got the nutmeg, it's got the sweet, it's got the texture. It's like banana bread gone wild. My son Ryder would go bananas for this.
Some French toast.
They taste even better than the French toast I remember as a kid. I can't get enough.
It's got more flavor, more
Texture.
freshness. It's just fabulous that it's also healthy at the same time.